How to add parental control on EA app. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add parental control on the EA app. So how can you do this? The first step is to log in into your EA account just like I have done here, and then you would see the home page automatically. On this home page, by the time you scroll down, you would see options, or you see different games that you can play on the EA application. And then once you can see all of these, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal dashes. Once you see this, click on it. Now once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, select settings. Now at this stage, I must let you know that for you to be able to add parental control, you would have to create a Teens account. Alright, so once you're on the settings page, in the tabs displayed, you'll see different tabs such as my account, application, download, my playtime, family playtime. So just click on family playtime. Now once you click on family playtime, it will take you to a page where you can now set controls for your family on the EA app. And then next step is to click on add Teens account. Now to add Teens account, once you click on add Teens account, a window would pop up, and then in this window you would see the options. Enter the email address of the player you wish to add to your family, and then you can now add the Teens account email address in here. All right, so after adding the Teens email address, after typing it out like I am doing now, just click on submit. And then once you click on submit, the invitation will be sent to your family, and then you can click close and wait for the person to accept the invitation. Once the invitation has been added, once the invitation has been accepted, the person will be added as a teen to your family, and then you can now regulate the control by regulating the amount spent, the logs hours, and then manage playtime limit for this teens account. So that's just it. That is how you can add parental control on EA. Thanks for watching and have a nice